Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to force restart on your XIAOMI 15T. Forced restart, which is soft reset, is a way to reboot your phone when the screen is frozen, unresponsive, or you simply cannot access the normal power menu. So the process is very simple. You just have to press and hold the power button, this one, and the volume up button simultaneously, and you have to keep holding both buttons for about 10 seconds, and you have to release when the screen turns black, and then your phone will vibrate and start the normal reboot. So let's wait a little bit until the phone is fully booted up. And now we have just forced restart. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.